No one. Hello, everybody. I have started streaming. I'm gonna. Hold on. I'm gonna tell some people about the stream.
Yeah, I know. She was so surprised. Really? Oh, for sure.
So I'm gonna switch to this video feed for a bit. Basically, I have all BFDI playing on loop for when I'm waiting because, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, sorry for being so quiet. I guess you have Lemon Demon, but like a balloon. Yeah, I'm finding what tab is must be glitched. Sometimes on LibreWolf a tab gets bugged and it just doesn't load. I already know that I don't know a thing. I ask for nothing, but maybe I'm lying. I don't know nothing, but I know I'm trying. It's not the nothingness at the end, so much as the message nothingness would send. I was like, okay, that's working. I guess. I freaking missed it! Aw, I missed VF4 Q&A stream. It looks like they had the whole crew too. Ah, Jungaba. Alright, well back to work. My goodness, this is lagging like crazy. Sorry about the buffering. Oh my goodness, that's... I'm sorry about this. Anyway, okay, so next we need to implement stuff. Love is a great work of satire, a sarcastic affair, exploding with irony and burlesque. Right up there with Voltaire. Our love is a great work of satire. I should stop singing. A certain critique, exploding on masterpiece. Right up there with the Greeks, silent, not rising ever since the first day we met. Our love is a great work of satire that you just didn't get. Every time we kissed, it was right up there with Swift. Red roses and champagne. It was right up there with Twain. Alright, so let's implement allocate buffer. Exploding with irony and burlesque. Right up there with Voltaire. Our man's had a single tender word that I ever said. Our love is a great work of satire that flew over your head. Okay, VK buffer create info. Then of course you put an S type. No P next here. Ooh, yeah, this one's one of my favorites. I like the pre-song that had the quote. That was nice. I recently downloaded ViewMonster, and on Spotify it doesn't have the little like in-between tracks, but it does now, and I like it. Yeah. Anyway, back to work. Dot size. Actually, that might be wrong. My computer's being a little laggy. Hold on, is the stream happy? Okay, good. The stream is happy. Well, size equals size this lag is kind of making it hard. And then we don't put in anything else about that. Then the VMA allocation, So you tell VMA, how's the memory going to be used? What does it mean, create mat? Is this documented? By the way, do you like... Is anybody watching? Oh, hello, hello. Hello, I don't have the chat. Hold on, I should open this up. Sorry, JZFC11. I'm sorry that I haven't... Hold on, I need to see if I can open up the stream on YouTube. Tab might be dead. Another dead tab. Another dead tab. Lag spike. My computer hates me. Ooh, 3 people. Well, I'm gonna pull it up so that I can see. Mute. Because I want to see if I can pop out the chat so I can actually practically talk to y'all guys. Ah, pop-up chat. Okay, I need to figure out how to lock this window on the top. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. Ooh, now I just have the chat. That's good. Now all I need to do is lock this window on top. Yeah. Libre Wolf. Yeah, I'm trying to lock the window on top so that I can actually see your guys' chats. This is all advice for Windows! I guess this is still slightly more convenient, so I'll just leave it like that. We need to sort them. What's that echo? What's called? It's just the song. Must be. Okay. Usage, flags. Okay, so that's everything. Allocated buffer. Oh, VMA. We're just going to say failed to allocate buffer instead of doing proper error handling using like expected or something. Alright. Well, actually, that should be good. Something glowing. La la la. La 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 la. Yeah, we can make that method const. destroy material. Alright, next. This song's a fun one. How big is this? 24. Just right out. Someone set my thunder. Alright. Hold on. This song means absolutely nothing. It's aggressively supposed to sound like it means something, but it doesn't mean it means nothing, literally nothing. One of many Lemon Demon songs that are that way. Alright, let's implement reserve. Yeah, let's mark it no discard. Hold on. Stop. Right, we wanted to do reserve. Hold on, render. This is a mess. Why is it so freaking laggy? Hold on. Reserve. Reserve match. Well, we get the render's mesh buffer, meshes. Let's create an enum lifecycle state instead of that. Mesh lifecycle state. Ooh. This one is also good. Enum class. Enum class. Ah, right. Life cycle state. I don't know how I forgot that. I'm gonna check the chat. Nobody's watching still. Okay, alive. Allocated. Free. So there's alive, reserved, and free. All right, let's, and then same with material detail. So, you don't know what I'm capable of. I need your teeth for my Lonely Hearts Club, Bland Spencer. Ben Bernanke. There. So. You already got enough applesauce, Spencer. There's plenty of applesauce on your plate. Mesh. Mesh handle target. Well, it equals meshes. Equals dot size. Yes, mesh handle modify. How we thought brass was the height of style. Now he's got something of a steampunk smile, and it's alright. It's alright, it's alright. Her septum O'Malley cut his ears off, but wishes that he kept them, and it's alright to look good. Do what you do, what you do. Remy got his skull exposed, doggone it. Soon he's gonna get scrimshaw carved on it, and it's alright to look cool. It's alright, it's alright. Do what you want with you. Be nonchalant with screws stuck through your eyelids, you. New wave of pirates, modify, modify, and sever, modify, modify, and sever, modify. May nothing get rejected, may nothing get infected. Must got Frankenstein stitches installed adjacent to her eyes, 'cause she wants to look them all, and it's alright. It's alright, it's alright. Sink his nails through his feet. Donnie stuck 40 only to compete, and it's alright to look cool. It do what you do, what you do. Stan tried to scarify his neck with the rope. His plan kinda failed, but it would've been dope, and it's alright to look cool. It's alright, it's alright. Do what you want with you. Be nonchalant with screws stuck through your eyelids, you. New wave of pirates, modify, modify, whatever. Modify, modify, and sever, modify. May nothing get rejected, may nothing get infected. May nothing get infected. I don't want the free fee list, I want the free list. Go! Well, let's make it a free deck. It's just so dumb. Why is it so laggy? Front. There we go. Hey, I finally use auto. And then target dot mesh. Life cycle state, we change it from free to reserve. Oh wait, but then if no, if it's not equal to free, for now let's just error. I want to make it, wow, that's not free. It'll just pop it off the free list. Until either it finds a free index or it needs to use the default case. That's just not free despite being on free list. Yeah, then here we return cargo. Vulkan has been open this whole time. Let's X out Volcano, because we don't need it. It is purple. It does not know anything. Oh, hello. There's been a new viewer. How have you been doing today? Yeah, I've been working on this. Yeah. Hold on. Next thing. Yeah, let's set up reserve material. No, wait, we don't want it to be a mesh handle. Reserve. Amnesia was her name. She had beautiful eyes. And then we literally just use the exact same code. There we go. It's the wrong... There we go. More. Pleasure. I guess she didn't know how to treat me right. Because I can't recall how I slept that night. else. Simply in place back. Return the target. Alright, now we can load our mesh and reserve our material. I was just stretching there. Okay, I'm probably gonna stop soon just because this isn't very... This is kind of boring and OBS is lagging me out. Okay, there's nobody. I'm talking into the air. Hold on. The man in stripes and glasses. Hold on, load mesh. Mesh. Load mesh. Load mesh, register material. Alright, load. We're implementing those. I don't like how this is finicky. You know, I'm just gonna stop. Nobody's watching and it's lagging up my coding. Bye, guys.